Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today, what do I have in store for you? A really cute, another Peekaboo tumbler, kind of to do with cactus, actually. So I'm starting with a 20-ounce sublimation tumbler, and I need to paint this like a lime green so that it'll kind of match the glitter. So I'm just using the ceramic coat paint that I got at, I think, Hobby Lobby, and just giving it a couple coats in over the entire tumbler. Once that is dry, I am taking tack it over and over, and I'm going to do 2 coats over the entire tumbler. After the first coat is dry, I will do a second coat before moving on. Once that is tacked down and no longer white, I'm going to take this glitter I got from Amazon. Everything will be linked in the description box below. And I'm just going to sprinkle that all over the entire tumbler. The tack, as you know, does not dry completely. It stays tacky, so it's grabbing a hold of this glitter. And then once I get it completely coated, we will go ahead and rub it in. So here I'm just taking my hand and rubbing that glitter down. It's just laying it flat, and it gives it this really nice, like, holographic look. And you'll be able to see the difference here in just a minute between the glitter that's been laid down and the glitter that has not. And here's the difference. The laid down glitter almost looks metallic, and I just love it. Once that's all laid down, I will add 2 coats of epoxy. And then once that is cured, we're going to go ahead and add the decal for the Peekaboo. So I had cut out a cactus and the words that says "not a hugger." So right now I'm just sanding down any of the bumps on the tumbler before we go and move on to adding the decal. Using a piece of this transfer tape that I hate, I am going to add it to the decal and then add it to the tumbler. The cactus is going to go on one side of the tumbler, and then the words will go on the other. And this is just some stencil vinyl that I've had forever. So I figured I would use this instead of any other vinyl that I have. My normal removable vinyl I'm out of, so I need to get some more of that. So I'm using the stencil vinyl. I'm not a fan of using this during Peekaboos because it's really thin, and on some things it's hard to see. So anyway, here I'm adding the words to put on to the back of the tumbler or the front, whichever you would decide it to be. And then once I get that down, I am going to make sure that all of that vinyl is laid down, so when we go to spray paint over it, nothing will seep under the edges. Here I'm just lining up to the back, and I kind of want this kind of in the middle of the tumbler, not at the top or bottom, kind of just somewhere in the middle, and I'm just eyeballing it. So surely it's not perfect. And then we will add the words and then remove the transfer tape. And I really struggled with what color to put over the top, and I thought about white, but I didn't want to do white. So I have this like sage green by Rustoleum, and I spray painted it with that. And then I'm going to go ahead and carefully remove all of that vinyl as to not scrape any of that paint off. And this is what we're looking like so far. So I'm going to give this another coat of epoxy before moving on and adding the line work. So I'm standing up at the top of the rim. I do this between every layer of epoxy. Just sand, remove the excess that's at the top. And here I'm also right now just sanding away just to expose a little bit of that stainless, so the final coats of epoxy will have something to adhere to. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the outline. I used black and dark green permanent vinyl. So I'm just lining it up so that you can see through it. The black backing paper is kind of transparent, so it's much easier to line up than using a different method of trying to line it up. As you can see through it. Not all vinyl backings have this. Most of them have white, but this is from, I think it's HTV Ront, which has that cloudy or clear backing to make this so much easier. So I just lay it down once it's lined up and then smooth it out and continue to remove the rest of the back and lay it down, and then remove the transfer tape. I'm going to do the same thing here with the words. And here I'm just showing you that the dark green against that like lime green glitter. But anyway, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to cut out the word not individually. Sometimes trying to do all the words at once don't actually line up the best, so it was just easier to go word by word. So now I'm going to go ahead with the Ccdiy Quick Coat to seal in all of that vinyl so it doesn't lift, and then give it 2 final coats of epoxy. And this is how it's ended up. I absolutely love how it turned out. This will be available on the website for purchase if you want it. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a great big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.